So if you have any problem with your throttle body doesn't open and close by the way, and when you change your speed, when you change speed like 40 miles an hour and your speedometer is up to 40 or 50, that means your throttle body doesn't burn gas how it's supposed to be. Throttle body is really sensitive. If you get dirty, I have to clean it, and especially Nissan Infiniti is common issue. If you disconnect your throttle body, like this car here, so the throttle body and the car, sometimes they get dirty, or sometimes you disconnect it and you put some aftermarket parts on it. So you have to program the throttle body one more time. If you don't program the throttle body, gonna cause you a problem. So yesterday I programmed my throttle body one more time, because every time I'm driving I feel the car is really loud and I feel the car doesn't burn gas how it's supposed to be. How do I know that? Because when we go to the exhaust, we're gonna see what's condition of the exhaust. So my exhaust here says a lot of oil, and it's like this is not burning how it's supposed to be. So they burn too much fuel, and even your consumption of gas, you consume a lot, because throttle body doesn't open and close and tight. And what is the position? So let's go and drive the car, and I'm gonna show you how the car's supposed to be, the kilometers, how it's supposed to be high in 40 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour, how it's supposed to be in. So stay with me guys, stay tuned. So normally your RPM is supposed to be like that. This is how the RPM. After you program your throttle body, so your RPM will be adjusted like that. So guys, after we're driving the car, do you see the speed? The speedometer doesn't go high. When you reach 40, 50, it stay down. It's like that how you pick up horsepower in your car. So what I did, you see like this throttle body here I have on my hand. So this throttle body, every time you clean it, don't touch inside of it. Remove the throttle body, then clean it, and try and don't never open the throttle body by your hand. Keep it closed like that and clean it by yourself. If you touch anything from any reason, this throttle body is bad. You heard the noise? So somebody, he opened the throttle body and he touched it by hand, so you mess up the mechanism inside of it. So this why is go garbage. So to pick up horsepower guys, and the car be drive better, this is common Nissan Infiniti commons. So we have to do, you have to program, you have to learn your throttle body to adjust it, and the throttle body can start be open and close on time, because there is another, the gas pedal is connects to the throttle body, so you have to adjust them. So many cars, every car has a program special for Infiniti or Nissan 350Z is easy to find. This is just like a process and gas pedal you do inside the car. For other Nissans, you have to look for a video how to program your throttle body, and it show you it's easy. You don't need a mechanic for, it's easy job. But after that, the car be driving really smooth, more horsepower, even you save more gas in your car. It's like that guys, how you gotta pick up horsepower. Even you have a tune your car, any program you have, doesn't matter. That program is gonna help your car pick up horsepower more and more when you drive on the highway. How you can see on my car while I'm driving, the car drive really smooth and even more horsepower, and it add horsepower plus my tone on my car. So this is why guys I'm being talking about throttle body. Throttle body is really important guys, to keep the car drive smoother, and it's like that guys. It's easy things you have to do on your car. So when you work on the car, any condition, you disconnect the throttle body, because most people they adding horsepower to the car, be change spark plugs or anything on the car, you disconnect the throttle body, because people forgot to disconnect the negative side of the battery before touch the car. If you do that, you have to program the throttle for any other reason. If you feel the car when you drive doesn't give you horsepower, or the RPM goes so high, mean the throttle body in it be get programmed. Yeah guys, it's really easy job guys. So I want to mention guys, if anyone has question or something like that, can subscribe to the channel, or you can be sponsor my channel like that. If you have any question, I can work for you and like get time to look for your problems and I give you the right information. Here we go guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that we can show you more tricks. See you guys.